Hey everybody, welcome to Power Tools for Beginners. This is an unboxing of a M18 brushless drill number 2801, and I'm going to be doing a review on it. I just wanted to show you what it's included. It's $99 right now at Home Depot as of November 2021. I love these tools. Definitely recommend it, and I'll show you why they are smart tools in a minute. I try to make these reviews real easy for everybody, so here's Home Depot's website right on the product itself. You could see the specs, you could see what's included, you could see the price, and if you guys want to go ahead and make the purchase, go right ahead. I'm happy to help, and hopefully you'll like this review enough to actually leave me a comment and follow me on YouTube. It'd be much appreciated. Gracias. Now, this is a Milwaukee ass-kicking brushless drill. I love it. I actually just got it, so this is actually an unboxing as well as a review on the tool. I was looking for an excuse to purchase it, so I gave my brushed M18 one to my dad. He's not a weekend warrior. My dad's more of a decade warrior. He'll fix something around the house every 10 years, so I'm pretty sure that the brushless drill is perfect for him because he's going to use it for a very long time. Now, we're going to just go over some basic stuff. I don't want to keep you guys here for 2 hours. The drills are very easy to use. They got 2 speeds. Speed 1, more power. Speed 2, usually what you're going to use. You just got to drill through something. I actually use these to drill through cement, and these guys can kick ass. So I have no problems with that. Keyless chuck. This part here is called the chuck. This is where you put your bit in, and then obviously you don't need a tool to open or close it. I mean, you just basically put your bit, lock it. There's some people who actually like to push the button, lock in the bit. Out here you got your transmission. Now, usually I'll use it as a drill. A lot of people use it to drive screws. So depending on how you use the transmission, going to the variable speeds that they have, is literally how you're going to drive whatever you're using the drill to screw in. Usually, though, I will just keep it on speed 1 because I use it for heavy duty stuff. Speed 1, and then I personally just like to have it on drill. Okay, but this is a transmission, and it actually goes all the way up to number 18, which is like the least powerful. Okay, then this button here, very easy. You drill forward or you drill backwards. I have a 2 amp battery on the drill because I personally like the feel of the weight. I like the feel of the drill or the impact driver. I actually use my Gen 3 impact driver and my M18 Surge with a 2 amp battery. This is my personal preference, although I have several of the ass-kicking 5 amps. Now, these tools are smart tools, just like I said in the title of the video. And because they're electronic tools, the battery will talk to the tool, and it will let it know if it needs more juice in order for it to do a job for you. If you're putting too much stress on a brushless Milwaukee tool, the brain of the actual tool will talk to the battery and the tool will stop. So that means that you're not going to burn or overwork your motor. You're not going to put any stress on it, and it'll stop, and then in a couple of seconds it'll reactivate, which I think it's pretty cool. So this way your tools are going to go and last you a long time. They also it gives them more power, and at the end of the day, the tool is going to last you a long time. There's a lot of the experts out there that actually recommend, obviously, going brushless. I personally have a lot of brush tools. especially Milwaukee's M18s and M12s that I absolutely love. I think they are powerful. You actually do put a bigger battery on them and they do get more juice, believe it or not. I've seen it personally. But obviously, as technology goes, the best way to do it is obviously going brushless. That's the best recommendation. These guys, as I'm doing this video right now, November of 2021, they are on sale. And you actually get the 2-amp battery, you get a charger, you get the drill, and you get the little bag for 99 bucks. They also have a kit that comes with the impact driver. You get the 1 charger, the 2 batteries, and the 1 bag for $199. So I just figured, hey, why not just go ahead and buy them separate and get 2 bags and 2 chargers. You never know when you're going to need one, especially the M18 Charger, which I'm going to show you in a bit. It comes with the you can also charge an M12 battery with it, and it's actually a very good charger. Takes about 20-25 minutes to actually charge these. Takes about 25 minutes, sometimes half an hour to charge these. These are awesome batteries. Again, I don't like to put my tools on them unless it's absolutely necessary, because this makes it heavy. And also, I don't know if it's just me or somebody else, you might want to share this in the comments. I believe the batteries clip on better to the tools clip on better to the smaller batteries than the bigger ones. You can actually feel a gap on them. You can actually feel like play on them. They feel loose. So I personally, my preference is the 2. Again, I'm not a professional. I would consider myself a handyman. I'm not a weekend warrior because I use the tools sometimes every day, sometimes once every couple of days. I actually am fixing up this house that my parents purchased in poolside of Tijuana, Mexico 20 years ago, and it actually was our family warehouse. So I'm actually turning it into a man cave / office because I do run a marketing company. I do outsourcing work, here in TJ. Puts my costs a little bit cheaper than if I were to have it in the States. And again, my work is virtual, so I can literally do it from anywhere in the world. So anyways, that's the story behind this. And me and my brother were also a toy collector, so all of our toys and all of our stuff that, we can't keep at our regular houses, we actually come down and display them here. So again, this is the review, quick, giving you the basics on what parts the drill has, what's the function of the buttons, and what they do. Hopefully you'll enjoy this video. Give me a like and start following me on YouTube. Hey everybody, this is the unboxing of the Milwaukee brushless M18 impact driver number 2550. $99 right now as of November 2021. Comes with a 2-amp battery and a M18 M12 charger, which is one of the best ones that Milwaukee makes, and we'll get into the review in a minute. I try to make these reviews real easy for everybody. So here's Home Depot's website. You could see the price, you could see the specs, you could see what's included. So this way it just makes it easier for you, and in case you want to purchase it, you might as well go ahead and just get it. The brushless version. I did a review on the M18 brushed version that I had, but like I told everybody, I gave those to my dad because he's a decade warrior, so he's going to use them once every 10 years, so I'm pretty sure they're going to last forever. As I was mentioning with the drill, I actually prefer the 2-amp batteries as a personal preference. They have lasted me a long time. They've gotten me to do the work that I needed to do, especially mounting these metal and wood shelves into a literally 100% Mexican cement wall, which sometimes are very, very, very hard to get through. And I haven't had any problems. Usually, though, when you run into a little hiccup, you use the 5-amp battery. Again, this is a smart tool. So what this does is the smart battery talks to the brain of the tool, and then it gives it more power in order for you to go ahead and get the job done. If and when you're over pushing the tool and there's the chance of burning it out or causing damage to it, the tool will shut down, and obviously you can't use it. It'll shut down for a couple of seconds and then it'll start activating again. Again, because of the fact that I do handyman work, I'm actually repairing this house from scratch, trying to do the majority of work myself. I have not ran into that situation, but that is the purpose of why I upgraded into the brushless impact driver and drill. Also, in regards to the impact driver itself, I mean, it's a very easy tool to use. Basically, you control whatever speed you want it to go to on the trigger, and this button here just lets you actually impact anything or screw anything in forward or in reverse. And then obviously the battery is going to tell you, what battery life it's got. It's got a pretty cool little light, lights up the area that you want to actually go ahead and work on. I needed an excuse, again, like I said, to actually purchase these because my M18 brushed are ass kickers and I love them. But since, again, these were on sale as the making of this video, November 2021, $99, and it comes with a 2-amp battery, a charger, and the bag. Or you can buy it with the drill in a kit for $199, but you only get one charger, one bag. So I actually opted to get the 2 bags and the 2 chargers because you can never have enough. Especially the bags are pretty cool. This one is a little bit smaller than the other one. Supposedly it was a contractor bag, but it's something that you can only carry the drill, a battery, and maybe a little kit in regards to any job you want to do around the house. I have a bigger bag that I actually keep all of them on, or I separate the tools that I'm actually going to use depending on what I'm going to do. But in order for storage, it is pretty cool. In fact, I'm going to show you my little tool storage area. This is where I got my Milwaukee stuff for the moment. I'm actually looking. I got some DeWalt hitting that back there because I love those levels. I love them so much. In fact, I keep this one super handy, right? Stuck to the fridge. And this is the majority of my DeWalt stuff. So I'm sorry, my Milwaukee stuff. And then I got the huge contractor bag that I got with a big kit that I purchased. And then I got some other stuff there. That's actually my SDS impact, or my SDS drill, hammer drill, that I actually sometimes use to go through the cement. So I'm starting my little collection. That's where I keep my batteries, those 2 boxes there. And then, as I'm showing you, this is my Milwaukee Tool Bag, which we're also going to be doing a review on. I'm looking into upgrading into a system to actually keep these stored at. And then obviously I got my 2 chargers there ready to go. And then I always use these aviation snips and these pliers. So I just have them like real quick to get to the hand. I got some other tools down there. And again, this is a small place. So these usually, when I put them together, and sorry if the camera falls off a little bit, they actually fit behind my door. So I have access to my other room, And obviously these lights are helping me do the video, which is pretty cool. Okay, so anyways, that's literally the review I wanted to give you. I mean, these are fantastic. They're awesome. Very heavy duty. The only thing I don't like is the kind of way it's heavy when you put a big battery on it. And here you can kind of feel a gap. Even though I'm very careful when I snap in the tool and I snap it out, you could feel a sort of a gap there. Which makes it feel a little wobbly to the hand. I personally don't like that. That's why I usually use the 2s. Also, the 2s serve the purpose that I'm usually using it for, which is just putting stuff together or putting stuff on the wall. I don't need anything really too powerful, unless sometimes that cement over there gets a little frustrating for me, and that's when I'll break out my SDS hammer drill. So anyways, just wanted to give you this review. Hopefully it's review that you're gonna take into consideration. Maybe if you were thinking about buying this impact drill and the drill itself, I believe they call it a compact drill. It's great tools. I love them to death. I actually got into the Milwaukee platform because personally, when I was thinking about purchasing my own tools, I started reading reviews. I started watching tool channels. And lo and behold, all of the tool testing and the versus that, Milwaukee versus DeWalt's, Milwaukee versus Makita's, Milwaukee versus Cobalt, and so forth, Milwaukee always wins. And in fact, this is their basic impact driver. This is, I believe it's called Generation 1, if I'm not mistaken. I have the Surge, and I also have the Milwaukee Fuel M18 impact driver, which I actually haven't even used. I just went ahead and bought it. It's brand spanking new, and I'm looking for the opportunity to use it. Again, I personally, for the past year and a half, have been using the Milwaukee M18 drill and impact driver brushed, and I love them. I believe they're ass-kicking tools. I actually upgraded into these because all the experts are saying that this is the tool to have. But again, I believe any tool that you purchase, Milwaukee or otherwise, that serves your purpose, serves your cost needs, and obviously has good reviews. YouTube is great because you can go in and watch the videos, learn about the tool, maybe some function that the websites don't tell you. So I'm trying to actually do the same myself and maybe answer some questions that you guys had, maybe help you make the correct, intelligent decision in regards to what tool to purchase. Thank you very much, and I hope you guys have a great day. Please hit that like button. Please, your comments, even if they're negative, as long as they're respectful, they are welcome. And have a great day. Thank you very much. 100% recommended ass kicker. Please subscribe, like, and share. Have a great day.